Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Katkar and today's topic is the Java version and the changes done in every version. First, Java 17 features. Java 17 was released on September 14, 2021. Java 17 is an LTS long-term support release like Java 11 and Java 8, Spring 6 and Spring Boot 3 will have first-class support for Java 17, so it is a good idea to plan for upgrading to Java 17. The below listed 14 JEPs are part of Java 17. JEP 306 restore always strict floating point semantics. JEP 356 enhanced pseudo random number generators. JEP 382 new Mac OS rendering pipeline. JEP 391 Mac OS /AA Arch 64 port. JEP 398 deprecate the applet API for removal. JEP 403 strongly encapsulate JDK internals. JEP 406 pattern matching for switching preview. JEP 407 remove RMI activations. JEP 409 sell the classes. JEP 410 remove the experimental AOT and JIT compiler. JEP 411 deprecate the security manner for removal. JEP 412 foreign function and memory API encabulator. JEP 414 vector API second encabulator. JEP 415 context specific deserialization filters. Java 16 features. Java 16 was released on 16 March 2021. It was largely a maintenance release, except it made the Java record and pattern matching the standard features of a Java language. JEP 338 vector API encabulator. JEP 347 enable C++ 14 language features. JEP 357 migrate from Mercurial to Git. JEP 369 migrate to GitHub. JEP 376 ZGC concurrent thread stack processing. JEP 380 Unix domain socket channels. JEP 386 Alpine Linux port. JEP 387 Elastic Metaspace. JEP 388 Windows Arch 64 port. JEP 389 Foreign Linker API Encabulator. JEP 369 Varying for value based classes. JEP 369 Packing tools. JEP 393 Foreign Memory Access API third encabulator. JEP 394 pattern matching for instance of. JEP 395 records. JEP 396 strongly encapsulated JDK internal by default. JEP 397 sell the classes second preview. Java 15 features. Java 15 was released on 15 September 2020. It continues support for various previous features in a previous JDK release, and it also introduced some new features. Sealed classes and interface preview. JEP 360 hidden classes. JEP 371 pattern matching for instance of a second preview. JEP 375 removed national JavaScript engine. JEP 372 replement the legacy datamark socket API. JEP 373 records second preview. JEP 384 text blocks become a standard feature. JEP 378 Java 14 features. Java 14 released on March 17, 2020 is the latest version available for JDK. Let's see the new features and implement it bring for developer architect. Thank you.